Hi YouTubers, hope everybody's fine. Guys, today I'm not in the kitchen. I was just going to change the engine oil on my car, so I thought, okay, let's share it with you as well. So anybody who knows how to use the tools, it's perfect opportunity for him to learn how to change the engine oil on Mercedes E-Class. So let's start it. I'll show you the tools, what to use and how to do it. Okay, let's start it. Guys, to change the engine oil, first of all we need to lift the car up, put the jack on, and for extra safety I put the stand underneath. We open up the bonnet as well, and now we're going to open the cover. See, it's not always change the engine oil on time, because with the diesel engines the engine oil is the lifeline. Now we are going underneath the car. Tools you need is 8mm socket. First, to open the underneath protection rain cover, well, you can call it rain cover or mud guard or whatever. We need to open that first. I have about I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 bolts underneath. So this is the tray. We're going to have to remove the back one, the one on the front, but we need to remove the back one. So I'm going to take the screws off first, and then I'll get back to you. On the back you can see the transmission, and that black bit is the transmission oil goes in there. And to open the engine oil bolt you need 13mm socket for this car. Every car has different ones, but this one has 13mm. See, the bolt is pretty much loose. It's very hard to open it in the first place. Now when it's a bit loose, I'm going to put the tray underneath to drain the oil. It's very hard to hold the camera here, so excuse the quality. The tray is underneath. Wear the gloves if you want to keep your hands clean. There we go. We'll keep the bolt on one side, try not to put any dust on it, and let the oil drain, and then we'll put the bolt back on again. All the oil is drained. Now I'm just going to put the bolt back on again. There we go. Try not to over tighten it. So now we'll move back out and take the oil out, and then we'll put the trays back on. Now we're going to put the tray back on, and I won't be able to show you, but I'll come back to you after I put the trays on. Guys, I'm not going to change the filter, because we changed the filter last time, so I don't change it every time, because I change the engine oil every 5,000 miles, so there's no point changing the filter every time. So the filter is just here if you want to change it. If you have a tool, you just need a proper tool to open the filter. Open the filter and just will put the new filter back in again. So now we're gonna put the oil. I have 0W30 here. I think it's the perfect oil for the diesel engine. So let's go and refill. Guys, this car takes 6.5 liters, so I have 1.5 liter in this gallon, and I'm going to put the 5 liter from the other one. So, and this is 2.2 liter engine. It takes 6.5 liters. Now guys, we fill the oil. Now we're going to check the level. We're going to clean the dipstick first, and then we're going to insert it back in again. I didn't put all 6.5 liters because I didn't change the filter, so I left a little bit of room. So just here on the maximum level, just perfect. Just to make sure, we're gonna test again. The hardest bit in this oil change is the opening the tray underneath. Apart from that, it's very easy. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm glad I didn't put all of the oil inside. Now we're just going to clean the engine bay, put the cover back on, and first of all we're going to turn the engine and see if there is any errors or something. Guys, hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next video.